So I love starting off each makeup application applying moisturizer. Then I love using a jade roller because it helps penetrate that moisturizer deep into the skin and depuffs. Today I'm going to be using this airbrush foundation by Era Beauty. Going to spray it here on this makeup mixing palette and then pick it up with my damp sponge. So I'm going to be bouncing this foundation in all over my face. I really love this foundation because it is both a water and silicone based formula. And the really cool thing about this is that it sets with water. So if you're interested in trying it, I do have a code and I will put that in the description. Next, I'm going in with the Ultrasonic Face Mister. This is perfect for setting this foundation. Also just for hydrating your skin throughout the day. Going in with Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 3. Really like to take my time and just fill in my brows and create hair-like strokes. Perfect my arch. Flip it around, use my spoolie to comb it through. Then do the same exact thing on the other side. What do you think? Then I like to take some warmed up concealer on the back of my hand and carve out the bottom of my brows to make them look really sharp and clean. To do this, I really love using the Cut Crease Brush 204 from Lashlicious. I'll make sure that I provide the information in my caption below. I really love how precise this brush is for carving out the bottom of my brows. And I like to take it and I like to blend the concealer downwards. Then I go in with a clean small blending brush and I just blend that out. At the end, I like to tap it in just to blend that out. And then I do the same thing on the other side. Then I love using the brow setter from Benefits to set my brows, and I always back comb them and then I push them and comb them and perfect them. And this actually keeps my brows intact all day so they do not budge, because budge proof brows is where it's at. And I'm going to go in with this Becca primer and topper liquid eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this as the base for my eyeshadow today. I'm just going to blend that out with a blending brush. By the way, this topper liquid eyeshadow is in the shade Light Gleam Red Star. Going in with Doll 10's The New Neutrals palette, I'm going to be picking up the darkest shade and then patting that on top of the Red Star liquid eyeshadow. Then going in with this 202 blending brush by Lashlicious. I'm going to just blend out those edges and get rid of any harsh lines. Picking up the second darkest shade from this neutral palette, I'm going to buff this into the crease. Really love this compact little palette. It has my everyday go-to shades. Going in with my Benefit Bad Gal Bang 24-hour pencil, I'm going to be lining this waterline here. Then I'm going to flip it to its other side because it has a blending sponge. And I'm going to buff out that liner on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go back into that neutral palette, pick up that darkest shade. I'm going to go over and blend that on top. Going in with my eyelash curler to get these lashes ready for mascara and falsies. Going in with the new Doll 10 Lash Remedy Transforming Peptide Mascara. I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes. This mascara is really cool because it has a serum in it. It's like a serum and a mascara in one. Going in with the Mayron Celebre HD Cream Foundation, I am going to do my highlight and contour now. I'm going to map out where I want my highlight and my contour, and then after that I am going to begin blending it in. This is one of my favorite parts. You know, I really like to take my time in doing this. Makeup is so therapeutic to me, and I love finding the time to film and edit and share my looks with you all. I'm so busy. I'm married and I have 4 children. My oldest is 17 and my youngest is 2, so I'm usually chasing my youngest around because she's my boss. Being a wife and mom fills my heart with so much love and joy. So now, after all that blending, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm going to bounce that all over my face to set and lock the makeup in place. So while this look is finally coming together, I definitely feel like I need a little bit of color. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline matte lipstick in Almond Rose for blush. Then I'm going to blend that out with a brush and then buff it in with my beauty sponge. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried lipstick as blush. Then here she is, one of my favorite style false lashes ever, and they are by Hypnaughty. I love using my fan to speed up the process for drying this lash glue and getting it tacky. This way it sticks right on when I apply it. I secure it in the middle first, and then I go to the outer corner and secure it. Now doing the same thing on the other side. Then I like to pinch the lashes together with my fingers to make sure there's no gaps in between my natural lashes and the falsies. Going back in with Becca, I'm going to take that topper in light gleam and pop that into my tear duct. Then grabbing this lip liner from ColourPop in CTRL and lining my lips. Then I'm going to shade them in a little bit. Going in with one of my favorite liquid lipsticks from Hypnaughty in Undress Code. I'm going to apply that to my top and bottom lip. Then I love going in with a brush and blending it all out. Taking this ColourPop lip gloss in Always Sunny and applying that to give these lips a little bit of a pop. So I decided to actually airbrush my highlight, and here I am with the Temp 2 Air, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Champagne, and I'm going to apply that to the top of my cheekbones and down the center of my nose, just to give my skin a little bit of radiance and healthy glow. If you're interested in seeing a full makeup tutorial using only airbrush, let me know, because I've been trained and I've been doing it for over 10 years. So here's the final look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'm going to make sure that I list all the products that I use, and if I have any discount codes, I'll make sure that I list those as well. And let me know what you guys think about me doing voiceover tutorials, whether or not you like them, or would you rather just hear music. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time.